Richard is the CEO of a large and successful business. He's very proud that his business provides medical and pharmacy benefits to his employees and their families. However, the cost of providing health benefits is getting more and more expensive each year. He really needs to find a way to reduce costs while providing the coverage his employees need. A colleague of his said he should contact SmartLight Analytics. His colleague told him, "SmartLight Analytics was a lifesaver for us. They worked with our plan administrator on our behalf to eliminate the waste, fraud, and errors from leaking out of our funds. They were able to reduce our annual spend by 5% last year." SmartLight Analytics is a team of healthcare data experts with decades of insider claims experience. They use inferential analytics and clinical expertise to reduce employer healthcare costs by 5%. With this unique approach, 95% of what they find results in cost savings. They search your health claims data for anomalies. Then their clinical team works with your administrator to resolve the issue and eliminate the wasteful spend. The typical client sees 5 to 7 times return on investments when partnering with SmartLight. Richard decided to hire SmartLight Analytics. And what were the results? Their healthcare spending has been reduced by almost 5% since last year, which has saved them millions of dollars. And now Richard can focus on what he does best, running his business.